Hey guys, David Sillman here. Today I'm going to talk with you about how to set up your Kraken trading account for crypto and also how to set up your Copy Pro Traders account. Copy Pro Traders is a social trading platform for crypto, and it is really cool in that it allows you to link an exchange for crypto to a professional trader's account. And this allows you to mirror a professional's trades. So you don't have to be on the computer every day checking charts and trying to figure out when it's a buy or a sell. You just simply link your account and just watch them start trading. You maintain control of your account. They don't have any access to your Kraken account, which is your exchange where your cryptos are actually held. It's all just mirrored. So it's very secure, being used by a lot of folks, including myself. And we're having great success. So I'm very excited to show you how to set up both of these accounts, Kraken and Copy Pro Traders, and then link them. To begin, you'll need to determine whether you want to set up a business or personal account. For this video, I'll be creating a personal account, but consult your tax advisor to see what makes the most sense for your circumstances. We're going to set up our security features and fund the account. Be aware, Kraken has a 72-hour hold for withdrawals on new accounts. So if you want to start trading with Copy Pro immediately, you'll need to fund your account with Bitcoin from a different exchange or wallet. So to get started, we'll go to kraken.com and start creating an account. Once your account is activated, go to the drop-down under your name and select Get Verified. The Express account type won't allow you to withdraw in crypto, so you'll need to choose Intermediate or Pro. You'll need to provide your social security number and proof of ID. Proof of ID can be a driver's license, an ID card, or a passport. If you're registering a legal entity, you'll need your TIN number. It took me about 30 minutes for my account to be verified, but you can move on to setting up your security in the meantime. First, we're going to set up two-factor authentication with the Google Authenticator app for your Kraken sign-in. There are other authenticator apps out there, but I like the Google one. This will require you to have your phone on hand every time you sign in, making it harder for someone else to crack into your account. Go to the drop-down under your name, choose Security, then choose 2FA, standing for Two-Factor Authentication, Settings. Click on Activate Now under Sign In. Select the two-factor authentication app and download the Google Authenticator app. Use the app to scan the QR code on your screen and enter the verification code provided by the app. This app provides a new 6-digit code every 20 seconds. The other authentication options are a YubiKey or a password. For me, the app is a good compromise between ease of use and reliable security. I recommend doing the same thing for funding and master key. You'll scan a new QR code for each. Do not set up two-factor authentication for trading, as this will prohibit Copy Pro traders from accessing your account to make trades on your behalf. I repeat, do not set up two-factor authentication for trading. This will stop Pro Trader account from accessing your account, and it just won't work. It'll break the whole system. Also, be aware if you set up a global settings lock, you will have to disable it every month to make your Bitcoin payment to Copy Pro. Also, we're not going to set up the API keys yet. We'll do that when we move over to Copy Pro Traders. Next, we're going to fund our Kraken account. From the top of the homepage, select the Funding tab, click on Deposit, and choose your currency. I'm going to use US dollar and choose a deposit method. I'm using MVB Bank. Go ahead and initiate a wire from your bank. If your bank does not offer online wire services, you'll have to contact them directly. Setting up your wire, you'll need to copy the info provided by Kraken. It's very important to include the reference number here at the bottom. There should be a line labeled Memo, Processing Details, or Instructions on your bank wire page where you can put this. If you have to get rid of the dot from .com to eliminate special characters, that's fine. Some banks won't allow you to have special characters in your reference number. Even if the funds haven't been deposited yet from your wire, we can still go ahead and set up an account with Copy Pro Traders. Search your browser for Copy Pro Traders, click sign up and enter your contact and login information. You can create a unique referral code if when you refer other folks to this Copy Pro Traders platform, they do give you a nice little kickback. So if you want to set that up, you can. There are more details about that on Copy Pro Traders homepage. It's going to take you to this screen with a QR code to submit your Bitcoin for payment. Here's where you'll have to stop until your Kraken account is funded, or you can use a different source such as a wallet. There will be a new code generated every 20 minutes to keep the Bitcoin value up to date. When you're ready to pay, go back over to Kraken, click Funding, and click Withdraw. Select Bitcoin, and it will take you to a screen to add a Bitcoin address. Copy the Bitcoin address from Copy Pro Traders into the withdrawal address field and add a description to label this withdrawal. You can use the same withdrawal address and description month after month for your Bitcoin payment, so I recommend naming it Copy Pro Traders. Check your email, and you will need to confirm the withdrawal address. Now you need to set the withdrawal amount. Go back over to Copy Pro Traders. The monthly fee is $99 in USD. However, you do need to send it in Bitcoin, so you'll have to calculate the price after adding the miner and network fees. Copy the total price and paste it into the withdrawal amount in Kraken. Make sure you put the decimal point in the right place. If you don't, you either send way too little or way too much. Now we might as well add the API key since we've set up accounts in Kraken and Copy Pro Traders. Again, this is the link that allows Copy Pro Traders to direct trading through your Kraken account. Under your profile, click Security, then click API and add a key. Rename the key to label it in a way that makes sense to you. In Copy Pro, under My Dashboard, click Exchange Settings, and here in the Kraken API settings box, you can open and follow the Kraken instructions. I'll follow those instructions back over in Kraken. I'll set my nonce window to 5,000, check the appropriate boxes, and generate the key. Make sure you keep the API key and the private key in a safe location, preferably a secure password manager like LastPass. There's a lot of them out there. I use LastPass and it works great. You will only see this once during this step, so make sure you save it before moving on. Again, it's only going to generate your API key and your private key once. If you miss it, you'll have to go back and open a new one. We'll go ahead and save that and copy those two keys into the info boxes for Copy Pro Traders. Set the amount you want to trade. They recommend not exceeding 5% of the available funds in US dollar tether. The symbol for that is USDT. Then select the pro trader you want to copy. You can find all the traders' bios under Our Traders tab at the top of Copy Pro Traders website. Save those settings, and now you're ready to trade. Last but not least, Copy Pro Traders will only trade what is in your account in Kraken in USDT, US dollar tether. This is a cryptocurrency that is tethered to the US dollar. These are also called stable coins. To buy USDT in Kraken, click the Buy Crypto tab at the top and select Buy. Currently, the fee for buying Tether is 0.9%, so just under 1%. Congratulations, you're all set now. So you just sit back, relax, and watch the trade start to occur. There's a couple things I'll note that you should be aware of. The first is traders do move with the market. So if you open your account today, it could be 1, 2, or 3 days or even longer before they see a good position to open, and your account would just sit and wait for them to copy their account. So don't freak out if it takes a couple days for you to see a trade. That's perfectly normal. And since you're only trading 5% of your account per trade, it will take 20 trades of, copying 20 trades before your full account value in US dollar tether is actually in the market. So this is totally normal. It'll take you a minute to get into the market, but you're being diversified across a range of, you're being diversified across a range of cryptos, which is great. So don't be alarmed by that. Another thing I'll touch on is sometimes you will get an email with a sell fail order. This is a computer generated email. When the professional makes a trade, it will send an email to you saying, hey, this trade was done. If for some reason there's an issue with it, it will send you a sell fail order, and just, keep up with your emails at least daily and watch for those. If those occur, you just simply note the ID on the trade, log into your CopyPro Traders account, find that ID number, and then go over and you'll see it says position closed, but you will still have a sell option. It's a red button. So you can manually override and physically sell that because for whatever reason, the computer had an issue. What I recommend doing is scrolling, notating on that ID which crypto it is. Go to the top of the page on CopyPro Traders, and you can see a running tab of all the cryptos you're holding, scrolling by in current prices. Just double check and make sure that you are in the positive on that trade. If you saw the trade failed 24 hours later than it actually occurred, you could be negative on that trade. And so in that situation, you may want to wait on selling until it comes back up. But yeah, if it's in the positive, you can just go ahead and hit sell, manual override, and it'll be closed out. This doesn't happen a lot, but it does happen sometimes. Another thing I'll mention is the monthly subscription for CopyPro Traders. It is the $99 in Bitcoin, and you do have to do this manually every month. So it's one part that you still have to manage. You'll just simply go through that step again, pull up what the current rate is. CopyPro Traders will send you an email 3 days before saying, hey, your account will be suspended if you do not pay this subscription. So you just simply go into CopyPro Traders. You'll hit the button under the dashboard. You hit Join Renew tab, and you'll just simply type it in and send it. You can send it from your Kraken account or any other account that you have Bitcoin in. One more thing, Kraken does charge for trading. They do charge fees. The more volume of trades you have, the lower the fee is. And if you want to see more details on this, Kraken does have a whole pamphlet about it, a write-up on, and then you just search how trading fees work in Kraken's support page, and you'll find all the details there. Thank you so much for watching. We really enjoy your support, and we hope that you have great success in crypto trading, and especially with it being automated in this system we showed you today. If you would like help with account setup or account management, my details are listed below. Thank you. Happy trading.